Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install mods on Minecraft Aternos servers. Firstly, you need to create a server. You must first create a server on the official Aternos website. Click the play button in the bottom right corner of the main page. Then you must create an ID on the website. The simplest way to do so is to log in with your Google account. After that, you can start a new server. After you've created a server, click on it to access the main configuration page. This is a box here that says Install Server Software. Click on it and look for Forge, which will allow you to run mods on the server. Install the most recent version that is compatible with your server's game version. Fabric, which performs the sum function as a large, can also be installed by players. Although Aternos does not include all of the mods available for the game, it does have a good selection of useful ones that most players will appreciate. Navigate to the Mods tab on the left side on the screen. You can find the plethora of mods to install here. Choose your preferred mod and install the version that's compatible with your game version. Remember, double check this as the mod will not function otherwise. This compatible game version will be written beside the list of available mod versions. Wait until the small install button on the right shows a tick mark indicating that the mod is installed. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.